Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel on Advanced Excel. Today's video is an interesting one. We'll see how we can make a utility to validate this electricity bill which we get. Now this utility is only for those who are having Adani Electricity Mumbai Limited as their electricity supplier, and those who reside in Maharashtra, and that too in Mumbai city. So only those who are fulfilling these two conditions have to use this utility. So if you are having, say, a Tata Power or BEST or any other electricity supplier, then for God's sake don't use this utility, because that amounts will definitely going to change. So coming to this utility, now these are the charges which Adani Electricity charges to all of us, and the logic I have designed is the same thing which I have shown while making that utility for income tax calculation, and exactly the same logic we are going to use here. So I am not going to build formula as such, because I have already built it over here, and logic is as I said the same as we have built that income tax for financial year 2021. So here are the charges, table of charges which Adani charges all of us. So here it's say units from, then units to, then we are having a fixed charges, then upper previous slab upper limit, then energy charges per unit, then wheeling charges, then energy charges current slab, which is basically say 100 minus 0 multiply by this energy charges per unit, and then cumulative charges from previous slabs. So exactly the same logic of income tax slabs I am going to use here. So here we are having a month which you can choose from a drop list. Here it is. You can say now my month is May 20, my units are 622. So here you have to enter units that are consumed, and please don't include any decimals, because there cannot be decimals in unit. You have to enter a full number. Then the fixed charges. So based on this fixed charges, now my units are 622. My fixed charges will be 135, because it is exceeding this 500 units limit, so it will be 135. Then so far as electricity charges concerned, we are having the same logic which I have used in those income tax slabs. So first it finds out the maximum cumulative energy charges from the previous slab. So in this case it will be 2590, and here it is. I can just demonstrate this view. I am selecting this and pressing F9. So it is 2590, Control Z, and then from that 622 we'll deduct 500, because that is because it has already exceeded 500. So F9. So 622 minus 500, 122, and then again if I press F9, the charges, electricity charges for units consumed after 500 are 7.80. So 7.80. So Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, or I can simply press escape, and we can come out of this. So these are the electricity charges. Then coming to wheeling charges. Now wheeling charges are basically same for all the slabs. It's 1.57. But the reason for keeping this column in this particular slabs or in this particular charge sheet is because if in future if Adani charges us different wheeling charges for based on the different slabs, then you can simply come here, change the wheeling charges, and your utility will get updated automatically. So I have kept this wheeling charges deliberately over here. So wheeling charges are done. Then electricity sales tax on electricity sale. Now these charges are basically 0.26 paise per unit, or you can say it is 26 rupees 4 paisa per 100 units. Anyway you will get the same result. And lastly the electricity duty, which is 16% on fixed charges plus energy charges plus wheeling charges. So you can see here it's taking a sum of this C6 to C8, and then it is multiplying it by 16%. So here is my electricity duty on fixed charges, energy charges, and wheeling charges, and that gives you a total charges for current month, which is a May 2020. Now if I change here to April or say June, the total charges for the month of June, because I have used here a text formula and define the way I want that text to appear. So right now my month is May. It is giving me May, and you can put any units. Say let's try to validate this 80 units. See, the things will get automatically changed. Or say between 100 to 300 to 250 units, then between 300 to 500 380 units, and 500 above we already seen 622. So here are the charges for the month of May for units consumed, which are 622. Now in this utility, as you must have seen, I have given this table array a name. Here it is. Okay, so and I have used the same name in all these VLOOKUPs that I have used. So this is how you can make a utility which will validate the electricity charges for a given month of Adani Electricity Mumbai Limited, that too in Maharashtra, that too in Mumbai. So friends, this brings me to this end of this video. If you have liked this video, do give me a thumbs up, and I am sharing a link of this file in the description box, so you can download it and then make necessary changes and have your electricity bill verified. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.